Hello students, welcome to the third part of the string programming. Today we will be discussing about a program which is called a palindrome word. Palindrome word means a word which is read same from both sides, like madam, madam, or eyei, Malayalam, etc. In this program, we will be discussing about first technique of the programming, that is reverse movement in a string, how we can move reverse from right to left side of the string, and two new functions apart from last two videos we will be using today, that is the sc.next, means the scanner name dot next, which is used for taking input as a word, not a sentence, and a function of a string called compare to. This function is used to compare two strings because in the string we cannot use double equal to sign. So this is all. So let us start with the program. Now let's see the program here. I have named it as palincheck. For saving the time, I have created the class. So let's open it. Now in this palincheck class, you will see the first line as usual, the import java.util.star means for scanner class importing, then class and main function as declared, and then this line is for declaring the object of scanner class. System out.print enter word is used for giving the message on the screen, and this line is bit changed. In this word, you will see that string word equals to sc.next. Instead of next line, I have used next command for taking the input as word without space. So then after this, I have created one blank string variable with the name rev, which will store the reversed word. In this, we will be calculating the length of the word given by the user. So far you have already learned in my previous videos. The next one, this is the actual logic part. In this particular loop, we will be moving from right to left, means in a reverse order in the word. So you will see that instead of initializing I with 0, I have initialized with L minus 1. Why L minus 1? Because L is the length, minus 1 why? Because the index number of the characters are always less 1 than the length of the word, because it always starts from 0. Condition of the loop is I greater than equals to 0, means once it will reach to the first letter at the left side, it will stop, and every time I will be decremented by 1. So I minus minus is used for that. Now inside of the loop, in the body, we will see two commands are there. First command, you have seen in your previous video, that char@ function. So word.char@ function is used to extract the character from a certain position and store in a variable. So here I am storing the character at the position number I in variable ch. Once the character is extracted, remember this will be done in reversed manner of the word. The letter ch, means the letter which is stored in ch, will be appended in the word string reverse. So obviously once this entire loop is done, then the word will be reversed in this particular string, that is rev. So we have two words now. One is the original word and another is the rev, which is in reversed order of the original one. If you want to print, you can print the word reverse. And this section is used for comparisons. In this section, we will see that whether the first word is matching with the second word or not. I repeat, palindrome means the word which are similar from both ends. So here the syntax of the comparison is this word dot compared to rev. Remember, comparing two variables or two strings, you cannot use double equal to sign. You have to use this particular function, that is compared to. There are many other equals and equal ignore case and other functions are which will be later discussed on. Right now the syntax means the body of the function is first word means the word dot compared to within bracket second word. That means the word will be compared with the rev, and if the return value is 0 means it is matched, then we will print system out dot println palindrome, means it is a palindrome word. Otherwise else it is not a palindrome. So far it's okay. Now I'll just compile it once more. No syntax error, you can see. We'll close it, and now I will show you how to get the output from here. So initially I will enter one non-palindromic word. Suppose I enter system. Now once I enter, you will see that it is showing the reverse word as METSYS, and it is not a palindrome, obviously, because it is not read same from both ends. We will do another one. I am entering, suppose, a word madam. Now here one thing is to be noted, that as Java is case sensitive, you better enter all the letters in a single case, either in a small all or all capital. Otherwise there would be a difference. So right now I have entered madam, MADAM, in capital letters. So the output is, again the reverse word will be madam, obviously, and it is a palindrome word. Fine. You can try another one. Suppose I am writing Malayalam. If I enter, you will again get reverse word Malayalam. It is a palindromic word. So now children, you have understood, and you need to practice on this, how to extract letters, how to move from right to left in a word, alright, and how to use compare to function. Remember, there are many other functions are there which are used for comparisons of strings. Anyway, right now I am closing the session here. You please continue with the practice programs of this. Thank you so much.